Hey guys, Matt over at Easy Dent Auto Spa, and today we're in our Duluth location, going to be working on the quarter panel of this BMW X3. Our technician Will is going to take this damage from start to finish using several different tools and techniques. Using this light, we can tell that the dent is large, but there is no paint damage. There's also a body line going right through the middle of the panel that we'll have to rebuild, but it's nice and soft, making it a perfect candidate. We use heat to begin this repair. This helps to make the paint and the metal more malleable. It also helps this cold glue technology to pull the metal much easier to get the metal moving in the right direction. After taking the taillight out, we notice that there's actually no access. This is a double paneled panel, meaning that we can't get traditional tools in there. Not to worry though, we're going to be using regular GPR tools made by Kiko. This is a dead center tab that allows it to pull really sharp right around the dents that are on this body line. Hammers and dollies, as well as these blending hammers, are used to knock down high spots that are caused from our pulling and pushing, as well as used to get rid of and release pressure that's caused by the original impact. Using our inspection light, you can tell that this panel looks fantastic. The repair came out really, really well, and the customer is going to be ecstatic. This car was dropped off in the morning and was able to be picked up later that very same afternoon. No additional paint or Bondo was used to fix it, therefore keeping everything original, much less expensive than a traditional body shop, and obviously much faster. If you have a repair that you'd like looked at, or if you want to see if it does qualify for paintless dent repair, give us a call or swing by one of our shops. Check us out online. Thanks so much for watching.